Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Kid Rock t-shirts are probably one of the most iconic pieces of apparel for fans of the legendary musician, offering a unique blend of rebellious spirit and American pride that resonates deeply with his fanbase, making them a must-have for anyone looking to express their admiration for his music and lifestyle. And these shirts often feature bold graphics and slogans that capture the essence of Kid Rock's persona and his most memorable songs, ensuring that wearers can showcase their allegiance in style and comfort. Number 5. ARTISTRO 24 Dual Tip Acrylic Paint Markers. Experience the best of both worlds with our dual tip markers. Effortlessly switch between a fine tip for detailed work and a dot tip for bold strokes and vibrant coverage. Forget the hassle of shaking or pressing. Our pre-activated nibs allow you to start creating immediately with smooth, fast-drying ink that won't smudge. Add a splash of bold, eye-catching color to all your DIY projects. Mix, layer, and experiment to achieve unique and stunning effects on your creations. These markers are designed to glide smoothly over almost any surface. Enjoy fade-resistant, even coverage on paper, fabric, wood, glass, and even rocks. Designed with safety in mind, our non-toxic and odorless markers are perfect for everyone. They are ideal for classrooms, studios, beginners, and seasoned artists alike. Keep your markers in top condition by storing them horizontally with the caps tightly closed. This ensures consistent ink flow and vibrant strokes every time you use them. What we like. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use, this is the one. Its dual tips allow for both fine details and bold strokes, and it works on almost any surface. Get started on your next craft project without any hassle. What people say. It doesn't bleed through the paper. The quality is spiffy. The colors are very vibrant and visible. They work well and function better than anything. Easy to use, mess-free, great for kids, too. Bright pretty colors, do not bleed through on paper or cardstock and dry quickly. The colors are bright and dry down quickly. We haven't experienced any leaking. The tips are nice and good quality. Number 4. An Arbor T-shirt company. Big Boys ABCD Rock Tee. Introducing the ultimate tee for young rock stars. This shirt brings the fun with a cool, retro vibe. Get ready for laughs with this unique design. It's perfect for kids who love music and a good sense of humor. Made for comfort, this tee lets them move and play all day. It's a stylish addition to any kid's wardrobe. Looking for a gift that rocks? This shirt is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any occasion. Let them express their personality with this awesome tee. It's designed for big boys who love to stand out. What we like. For the little rock star in your life, this tee is a fantastic choice. It features a humorous design that's sure to get a laugh. If your child loves music and a good giggle, this is the perfect addition to their wardrobe. What people say. The t-shirt itself is rabbit skin. Soft and well made. Looks like the graphic is DTG, direct to garment, which will not peel. Accurate sizing on t-shirt. Very nice quality, would buy from this company again. This is a quality t-shirt and absolutely adorable on my already adorable little rockin' granddaughter. Number 3. Rock and Roll Guitar Wings Music T-shirt. Are you ready to rock? This t-shirt is designed for the true music lover. Show off your passion for rock and roll with this unique design. Featuring a cool guitar wings graphic, this tee is a statement piece. It's perfect for concerts, casual outings, or just jamming out. Crafted for comfort, you'll love wearing this all day long. It's soft, breathable, and built to last through every riff. Looking for a gift for the musician or music enthusiast in your life? This t-shirt is sure to be a hit. Add this awesome tee to your wardrobe today. It's more than just a shirt, it's a symbol of your love for music. What we like. If you appreciate a unique and stylish design, this t-shirt is a great pick. The guitar wings graphic offers a cool, artistic take on rock and roll. It's ideal for anyone who wants to stand out with a subtle yet impactful musical statement. What people say. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that have held up well after multiple washes. The fabric is soft and comfortable, making it great for everyday wear. The design accurately represents the iconic Kid Rock imagery, a must-have for fans. Number 2. Under Armour Boys Project Rock T-shirt. Introducing the Under Armour Project Rock T-shirt, designed for young athletes. It's built to help them push their limits. This athletic tee embodies the spirit of hard work and dedication. It's a symbol of commitment to greatness. Crafted for performance, it offers exceptional comfort and lasting durability. It can withstand any workout. The short sleeve design allows for maximum freedom of movement. It's perfect for training, practice, or everyday wear. Equip your young athlete with gear that inspires. This shirt is more than just apparel, it's a statement. What we like. For the aspiring athlete or fitness enthusiast, this shirt embodies dedication. The blood, sweat, respect motto is a powerful motivator. If you're looking for apparel that supports an active lifestyle and inspires hard work, this is the ideal choice. What people say. True to size, great quality. Fits well. Like material. Fit as expected. Great quality. Number 1. The Rolling Stones Script Tongue Logo T-shirt. Embrace legendary rock and roll fashion with this iconic tee. It's a statement piece for any true fan. Featuring the unmistakable Script Tongue logo, this shirt is instantly recognizable. Show your love for the greatest rock band of all time. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt feels as good as it looks. Wear it all day, every day. This is officially licensed merchandise, ensuring you get the genuine article. Own a piece of music history. Whether you're heading to a concert or just out and about, this tee is the perfect way to express your fandom. It's a must-have for any Rolling Stones enthusiast. What we like. If you're a fan of legendary rock music, this t-shirt is a must-have. It proudly displays the iconic Rolling Stones Script Tongue logo. This is perfect for anyone who wants to show their love for classic rock with a timeless and recognizable design. What people say. Fabric was perfect, not too soft and flimsy. And the sizing was standard youth size. I ordered SC12 for an 11-year-old and it was just right. T-shirt fit well. Good coat but faded quickly. I dozed up on this item so that it would fit my kids oversized and it ended up being exactly as I wanted. Super cute and trendy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.